Hi, I'm Wendy Gardner. These easy to apply KAM snaps really can add an attractive detail to any garment. These KAM plastic snaps come in 12 really brilliant glossy colours. Each of the packs is in a little sealed box so you can keep them safely when not in use. And you apply them using special pliers. Now these pliers are one-touch use, really handy and easy to use. Each pack comes with 25 sets, and to create the snap you need 4 parts. 2 caps and then 2 of the attachments. You'll see that one has like little spokes of a wheel and the other one has little grippy teeth, and those little grippy teeth go face down onto the cap. I'll show you how to do them. So the first job is to mark the position that you want your snap to go, and then you can use the point on the cap to pierce the fabric. Now you can use an awl to make a hole in your fabric, but I find that nice sharp point pushes through most woven fabrics without any problem at all. Then I top that with one of the inners, and this is the one with the little spokes around it, so they go down onto my point, and then using the pliers, the cap fits into the black base and just sits in there, and the top comes down with that spring load there. Pull it together, just pull those plier handles together. So that's nicely together. That one's ready. So now to put the other end on. So again, I've marked my position. Poke it through. This time I've made a hole ready. So a little bit more fiddly because I'm going inside my little bag. The grippy teeth on this half go down towards the spike. And again, holding that in place, I put the base in the black dish, make sure it's in there nicely, clamp down hard with the pliers, and that side is also attached. And you know it's attached properly when you pop them together and you get a nice snap. But let me try it on a different fabric. So this is a linen type fabric, so again it's quite nice and easy to use. So I poke my spike through the fabric in the place I want it. Put on the one with the wheel, so you can see the little wheel around there. That goes down towards the spike. The cap then fits into the black dish. Hold it, push down hard on the pliers, and you've got one bit done. So the other bit is going to come in. So again, the snap with the spike, that's the cap, that goes through the back. Push through the spike. Add the one with the grippy teeth. Teeth down towards the spike. Pop it into the dish. Squeeze the pliers shut. Another snap ready. So again, you've got a nice snap there. And you know it's done because of that lovely snap as you open it. And finally, I'm going to do it on, this is a woolen tweed. So I just want to show how well it works on all of these different fabrics. So again, poke it through. Put on the wheel bit, wheels down, so the spikes are down. And then this bit is going to go through from the back. The grippy teeth down. Another one done. So that's how easy it is to do these lovely snaps in all these brilliant colours. The easy to use pliers and the KAM snaps will get you popping every time.